was the performance, guys? Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Grabe.
Napakaingat mo.
Pag pinaperform natin to, nakikita mo talaga lagi si Pablo. Next to next, ganyan gagawin mo.
Do you guys want more? Ano yun? Pablo, parang napapag-tripan ka na naman. Sample daw, gusto mo ba?
Ikaw, ito.
Sige na, ituloy mo na mga 3 seconds lang.
Ito, ito.
Ikaw, Josh.
Wala, okay na ako.
Mukhang ayaw nila mag-sample eh. Stel. Bigyan mo na. Kahit isa lang. Sige na.
5, 6, 7.
Galen! Josh Galen! Nakasan nyo? Josh Galen! Josh Galen! Tayo na...
Kasi hindi ako sumasayo ng walang music.
Okay.
Right.
Akantayin na lang namin.
Ah,
5, 6, 7.
Baby, you're okay na yun, okay na yun.
Okay na lang yun.
Huwag na natin ubusin ang oras dahil ang oras ay hindi.
Anyway.
Next one.
Ano?
Just calling ulit na. Just calling ulit na.
Sali ko kayo.
Alam niyo po, ang oras ay ginto.
Si Stel Ahero! Stel Ahero! Hindi, sumayaw na ako eh. Ayan. Anyway guys.
Anyway.
Baka kasi maubusan tayo ng oras, baka paalisin tayo dito na. So, do you guys want one more song? Eh, parang ayaw nila ng isa pang kanta. Hey guys, one more song! Ayaw nyo na?
Gusto mo ata mag-usap tayo dito eh. Gusto mo mag-talk show na lang tayo dito. Hindi, Ken, tuloy mo na yung sinasabi mo.
Okay. So, you know, konting storya lang. So 2 years ago, we made a song with such an amazing artist. You know, the first time we heard this song, we immediately fell in love with this one. And thankfully, nakapag-collab kami with him. His name is Jake. So I just want to thank Jake for this one. This one's called Golden Arm. We were just two lovers, sitting in the car, listening to Blunt, falling for each other.
Thinking more sky, feeling supercharged, I don't know what. Missed for my mother. You went tonight, I know all about. I was all alone. She's got beautiful skin, radiant, leaving in the night. Don't you know? That was a collaboration song together with Jake. We're so grateful that we've been able to sing it. And of course, kung gaano kaganda ang araw dito sa Dubai, parang golden hour dito. Ganun din namin karamdam ang init ng inyong pagmamahal. Maraming salamat.